All right, so for part 2 of our video, we're going to look at 2 different vocabulary words: alternate exterior angles and alternate interior angles. So let's break it down. Alternate means opposite. So if you alternate turns in a game, you are taking turns. So person 1 goes, person 2 goes, person 1 goes, person 2 goes. They're on opposite sides. Exterior means outside. So alternate exterior means on opposite outsides. Down here, alternate interior, same idea. Alternate means, flip-flopping. Interior means inside. So let's look again at 2 parallel lines with a transversal crossing these 2 lines. Okay? So we've got, let's just call this line A, line B, line C. So A is a transversal because it crosses lines B and C. So A is a transversal of lines B and C. Now, let's label our angles. Let's call this angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 different angles formed by transversal A transversing lines B and C. So let's look again at our first vocabulary word, alternate exterior. So alternate means opposite sides. So we can call this the left side of transversal A, this the right side of transversal A. So alternate exterior angles, exterior means outside. So let's first look at what are our exterior angles. Angles on the outside. So if you can imagine, we've got B and C, and inside we've got these angles right here, right? They're closed in by line B and line C. Outside, we've got angles 1 and 2, angles 7 and 8. They're not closed in by our parallel lines. So if we look at this, our exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 2. So exterior angle 1 and angle 2. And then we've also got these ones on the bottom here, angle 7 and angle 8. Those are our exterior angles. All right, so let's just take a quick second and look at our interior angles. So our interior angles are the ones that are kind of trapped by these 2 parallel lines. So they're stuck inside our parallel lines. So angle 3 and angle 4 are interior, as well as angle 5 and angle 6. So angle 5 and angle 6. Those are our interior. Those are our exterior. These are our interior. So alternate means that they are on opposite sides. So again, we've got the left side, we've got the right side. So alternate means one's on the left, one's on the right. So let's start with alternate exterior angles. So let's just look at angle 1. So angle 1 is an exterior angle. So what's on the opposite side of angle 1? You might think it's angle 2, but look at its relative position, right? So the complete opposite of angle 1 is angle 8. So alternate exterior angles, we've got our first pair, which is angle 1 and angle 8. Okay? So now let's look at our other exterior angles. We'll put a box around it, angle 2. So angle 2 is an exterior angle, and opposite of that, alternate of that, is angle 7. So another pair of alternate exterior angles is angle 2 and angle 7. Those are alternate exterior angles. So let's take a look at those. Angle 1 is alternate exterior of angle 8. If you notice, they're both obtuse angles. And in fact, because transversal A intersects B and C at the same exact angle, at the same exact degree, angle 1 and angle 8 are not only just obtuse angles, they're actually equal. So alternate exterior angles are equal. So we can use that same logic to look at angle 2 and angle 7. These are both acute angles, and because transversal A intersects lines B and C at the same exact